turned into a nightmare.
Back to TT's Garage, guys. This week's episode, we are going to be doing a couple different things, but first I'm going to get into greasing my front end, and then we're going to install my aluminum bedwood kit. Alright guys, back at the garage, greasing up this front end.
Cat grease.
Hold up your cat utility grease.
Whoa.
Alright, that one's greasy. This is going to take me 2 hours just to...
Yeah, it's you doing it.
I don't think you could do any better. Turn the key with both your fingers. Keep going, Butch. Keep going.
Turn that so we're going.
Alright, good enough. If you don't grease something,
Run smoothly.
it runs smoother. And if you don't grease it, then I'm gonna have to go through another front end at 5,000 miles.
A second. Oh, I don't want to be wet the rest of it.
Here, you can do the top of the cap too. Stay up there, stay up there. Okay, future town here. Our SD card got corrupted, but a little bit on Smokey Road Rod Shop. I got this bed. I ordered it back in August. When I got it, I picked up my color. We sent it into them. Seemed legit. Called the lady there. Super nice. Got everything finalized. And then probably about a month after, my dad gave him a text message and asking how it's going. They said their shop got COVID and they were 2 weeks out with everything. So I mean, yeah, we get it. That stuff happens. We gave it till about October. And we tried to get a hold of them again. No response, no nothing. In November, trying to get a hold of them too, and the only way we could really get a hold of them was on their Facebook. And when we were going and looking at their reviews, a lot of people were saying that it was a scam and that stuff that they ordered wasn't getting shipped to them. And that's kind of where the boat I was in. And just thinking about that, I really thought I got scammed there for a second, because with all the other reviews and just no communication between the company and us when we tried to get a simple response out of them on where our bed is. For $2,000, you'd think that I'd at least have some communication between us and the company, because we get that you can overcommit. We were looking through it again, and on the receipt it actually said no refunds on it, which was kind of weird. It was a fake invoice. It really wasn't. It seemed kind of legit at all. So we decided to do the thing and leave a not so nice review. It wasn't pretty bad about them, it was just that we were lacking communication, and we get that, like I said, you can overcommit, underdeliver. So also along the lines of it being kind of a little sketchy, we tried calling them and their phone actually went to like said this phone cannot be like completed as dialed. There's just the voicemail box is full.
Stop. Manufacturer of the aluminum bed floor system, the hidden tailgate latch kit, and the best stern bed floor hinge kit. Due to high call volume, please leave a message or an email, but not both. Rhonda will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time. Goodbye.
Is not accepting any new messages. So on the review that we wrote, we did explain that on their phone, their personal phone, it can't take any more messages from anybody else. They said that we emailed them. So after writing a review within an hour, they responded back and said, we don't have a voicemail box that is full and we'd be happy to communicate with you. Which was shocking to us, because after 3 months, 2 months of trying to get a hold of these people, they finally went out and said that an hour later. Then the next day, my dad was able to get their personal phone numbers and they were better on the communication side of it. They said that they didn't even make our bed yet. It's gonna be another 8 weeks, and that's their projected time. For August, 8 weeks, should have been in sometime in September, October. We were thinking about getting our bed, but it didn't end up coming till December. I mean, if you're gonna go with this company, just think you're gonna be out 5 months just to get your bed. Anyway, back into the video.
There's no pink in this one.
No. Hope you guys know how to read.
So why do you gotta lift it?
Because I have a Suburban frame in the way. We might not have to, but I think we're gonna have to. We just watched the instructional video that LMC instructed us that we have to drill all new holes.
We're gonna re-drill the cross seals because we are not stuck to anything that Chevrolet actually did in the day.
And They said that it was ready to install right out of the box.
Is ready to use right out of the box.
Now, the laminated boards are finished and ready to install right out of the box.
Nope. We gotta drill all new holes.
None of these holes work.
None of the stock Chevy holes work. All right, guys, you're learning with us. There's average humans. They had the owner helping them put theirs together, but let's see how it goes. All right, guys, we're back out in the garage. So we went ahead and took the bed off my truck. While we were doing that, we fabbed up some cover plates. Now it's gonna look good under the bed. We put it on some stands. We've got the slats marked and drilled. We went and got bolts. The plan is we'll lift it up, bolt these in, and then once those are bolted in, we'll be able to put our slats in, and then we'll pick it up with the machine and then put the rest in. That'll be good for a minute. You guys are probably wondering why we took the trim off. We cut and buffed a bit better because we didn't like how it turned out, so we took the lights out, and it was just a great opportunity for us to cut and buff it all again while it was off the truck. Okay, let's get this thing in there so we can get those bolted in.
Bring that side of the strap over, Steve. That's good. Get your rails, get your bolts.
You have a knife, Austin?
Oh, sorry. Don't carry knives.
Not at school.
Definitely not.
This kid would bring a knife to 7th grade.
On accident. You
Alright, my side got lined up. All his money, actually. Heaven forbid a 16-year-old has a job, you know? Like, it's all daddy's money, actually. Because they can't just worry about their family and feeding their kids. Go be with your kids, you 40-year-old men. This is just wood bed, 300 pounds lighter. Hold it steady. We are.
You lost a nut.
Oh, I lost both of them.
There you go. Down.
I got it.
That's a bad day.
No, guys.
It's a bad day.
Like the washer and the nut.
We know, Talon, we know.
Let's just go back from that.
Okay, it's lining up, so.
Yeah, we're going with it. So this one?
Do we have to drill? Is yours going?
Mine's done.
Okay, grab me needle-nose pliers.
Just call him a princess?
Yes.
A bit.
You do you, princess.
Okay. We can bolt this one on right now.
Okay. Yeah, no, we can't really. Why?
We need that. We need
We
our
need
wood.
the wood, but the wood has to go in here. So, I have to do
Okay,
it all at once.
Okay, wise guy.
I'm not wise. I'm just thinking
You're
with
not
my
wise.
head.
You're thinking with your head, which would be make you a wise guy.
Yeah.
You made me roll out of bed.
I just rolled out of bed. Point. I just big brained something up. When we made our mounts, we didn't accommodate for this much higher. We put it on the truck, it's not gonna line up. It's gonna be this much higher.
So this is gonna be the back one. This is gonna be the one closest to the fender. Yeah. Perfect.
Oh.
You're gonna have to go up with the machine on my side.
Either go up the machine or move this out of the way.
Got it.
Guys, we are making bed.
Your mom would be so proud.
You never
My mom says I never make my bed. Look what I'm doing.
Guess what?
I'm making my bed, Mom.
Go get her, she'll be proud. Installing the side bolts. It's so simple to install, just an easy 3 hours. We're probably already 3 hours in just for the drilling. Short hours for the guy who actually invented the bed systems. Imagine just an average 16-year-old kid doing it. We're already 3 hours in. I manage to wear the shirt every time you film me. My mom doesn't buy me
He spent all
clothes.
his money on his truck.
He only has like 3
Dirty
pairs of
truck
clothes.
addictions.
Drill that one too?
Yep, zip them all. So the plan is on these little guys, we're gonna weld bolts right here, so then there'll be like threads sticking out the bottom. And then on my truck, we'll plasma cut the holes in, and then we can crawl under my truck, and then that's how the bed's gonna secure down, because my frame rails are different since there's the Suburban. up a little bit. We're gonna turn the in and pull them out.
It's exactly what you said it was gonna be.
When we made our mount, we didn't accommodate for this much higher. It's getting dark now. We're gonna put the bed, and we had some difficulties when we put the aluminum in the side, and it raised it up an inch, so we had to lower everything mounting wise on the truck an inch. Now we're gonna put these guys in and rough fit them.
I think I can just pry you up.
Go back.
You can't go back. It's gotta. This one's gotta go forward.
Simply just slide your bolts in with a screwdriver.
Screwdriver pushes it right where you need it to be quickly and easily.
A flathead screwdriver. Dude, just simply slide the bolts.
Dragon, go inside.
Slide your bolt.
That guy can go.
It's really simple, guys. It's so simple.
It's that time of night, guys.
Yeah, somebody.
Who put that in?
It's on the wrong side of the.
Dude, who did that? I hope the excavator falls on your.
Yeah, on your bed.
On your
What? POV or steak be like on the Traeger. You have to miss.
Oh. That rail went in, so.
Oh look, my finger does it better than the freaking screwdriver itself. It's like nails on a chalkboard.
You're lining up on the front. Then we're going to this rail.
We need to do this one now.
Let's nut them real quick. No, because that up there is lining up. These back here don't line up at all. Just barely zip it. Just barely tap. That's it. That's it. As good as it'll be for you. Strong.
Get it on. And that is not lining up. What time did you start counting this morning? Damn. Like 4 hours.
It's turned into a nightmare.
These bed floors look great, but it saves you tons of time because it comes ready to install right out of the box.
I don't think so, Tim.
Finishing up welding the bracket tree. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us again. Put the bed back on, hopefully. We just gotta put the fuel, fill, spigot, and then the lights back on. Yeah.
Get that off. Let's get that one. We're probably going to end up in a position like that, I think. Whatever that gives us. So let's shorten that up to about like right there.
Oh, you're doing it way out there. This is where you charge it. What might go there, might go here, might go there.
You want to pull this forward and then
I'll move the
What do you
Mini
wanna
X.
do?
I want to put the Mini X here and the truck where the Mini X is.
So we're going to have to make some adjustments. So when we get the bed over, we're going to need to kind of set it down, figure out
Mess
what
it
we
up.
need here.
put this on the bed. Up on
Put
top.
that underneath.
Yeah, and then it'll tell us where. Put
The
this
magnet underneath and that up on top.
It's a sketchy maneuver. We have to drill into the bed.
Right there.
Yeah?
Got you.
No, you do it.
Here. This has to come off from underneath. Unclamp that. I want you to run an output. I want you to get the hose that fits on the end of this, which is probably like an 1.5 or inch and 3/4. And then I just want it long enough to go down into that fill tube and just make sure it fits inside of this diameter. That work?
We should have got longer. Watch your steer when you oversteer. Watch now.
Hot Wheels car? Or it looks like you're in Forza, like a video game.
Dude, I think that's scary. I can't put 2 fingers in between it when you turn. You get it on the right bump in the right turn.
We're gonna have some fender damage.
Alright guys, Alan's gone at work. Someone's got to pay for the truck. We still got some bolts to do in here. We got the lights, the bezels, the bumper, all the stuff back on. Trim, it's all back on. I'm gonna hit the road. Sunrise tint, Dave Shovel. Put the steps on and tint some of the windows and the radio.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You've probably seen this clean one over behind me. It'll be a future project that may or may not be frame swapping onto something else that we have. Stay tuned because this is gonna be coming up real soon. That's
Like and
pushy.
subscribe, share with your friends.